everyone, and welcome back. I'm so excited to have you join us today, our YouTube testimonial. My name is Pratima, and this is my pleasure to introduce you guys with a special guest, Disha. She has passed CISSP today, and we'll be hearing Disha's honest experience, insights. So, thank you, Disha, for joining the call. And please share your journey with us as people are very curious to know about your CISSP success story.
I'm Disha Sadavarti, and I passed my CISSP today on 5th of August, and in just 130 days, in first attempt. I was into Microsoft security earlier, but then I switched on from Microsoft security to core IT security. And that's when I thought of, learning whatever, like what is the need in security. Currently, I am on a manager position. So again, whenever I will upgrade, whenever I will get a promotion, it will be above manager. So having a managerial mindset along with security, that's what I was hunting for, and that's when I encountered CISSP. And how I encountered CyberNOS, that is again a different story. So I was looking out for options, and I was looking out for options on YouTube, on Google, and I trust YouTube more because it gives that video thing. So I was just typed in CI, who is best in CISSP, and I saw Manoj sir's YouTube shorts. And after that, once I saw those shorts, then I saw his video in which he was explaining how to solve twisters. And that's when the approach which he was using and the way in which he was solving those twisters, that grabbed my attention. And that's when I contacted Pratima ma'am, and then I joined CyberNOS, and that's how it's because of CyberNOS that I was able to do it in 130 days. Because I see people struggling for even like a year or two. They just keep on reading those hefty books, but then we just have our concise notes and everything, and it's like that. So I'm very grateful to have joined CyberNOS.
That sounds so cheerful, Disha. So just tell me one thing. How was your experience with CST 3.2?
Yeah. So CST 3.0, it will the CISSP word for CST 3.0 will be strategic. So it is very strategic in the approach. Actually, the entire approach that Sir uses is very strategic in nature. So first you have to understand the concepts, and then you have to go through the notes, and then the punch statements. So what CST does is it will explain you the concept in the form of videos, vocabulary which is needed for through notes, and after that it will help you solve the questions using punch statements. And all of that which you have gained throughout these three things that you have done, you have to apply in the practice questions. So that's how CST builds the entire mindset.
Perfect. So, how did Manoj Sharma's mentorship help you during this entire journey of yours?
Manoj sir's mentorship is a must, I feel. Without it, nothing can
Undoubtedly.
happen. Yeah, undoubtedly, Manoj sir's mentorship is needed, because what he has, a very easy way of making you understand things, a very easy way. So that helps a lot. First of all, see, in CISSP, conceptual understanding is very important. It is the core which I feel, and it is truth. I feel that CISSP it is about core understanding. That Sir helps you build that core understanding first through videos, and then notes, and then the gym sessions. Gym sessions are best. Because Manoj sir's mentorship, I think it is a must. It is undoubtedly it is needed, because the kind of understanding it gives you for solving the questions. Because see, understanding the concept is one thing, but if you're not able to apply it in the question, that is where Sir helps you. And those gym sessions are necessary, because while I was doing all of this, like while we were preparing, while those 100 days were on in that 100-day challenge, the most important thing was gym session. See, you can study, anyone can study, but then how it has to be applied, that Sir teaches. the mindset which sir has given, that is most important, because today I felt no technical, like this is not about technical exam, this is not a technical exam, this is more of a managerial thing which sir has ingrained from day one. And yeah, initially I was not able to answer management questions at all, and the first thing that I told sir कि sir management mindset नहीं आ रहा है, so बोलते आएगा, आप जैसे जैसे डोमेन पे जाओगे, हाँ आप जाओगे, you believe, you have trust in yourself. If you don't have trust in yourself, trust me if I'm saying like that. So yeah.
Like, which domain you like the most? Which was your favorite one? Can you talk about it little bit?
Yeah. So my favorite domain was domain 3, because it was completely new to me. Because I'm not related to hardware or cryptography. It was a completely new thing. Like I know zero. बाकी सब domains में थोड़ा थोड़ा तो पता था कि ठीक है, I had worked in multiple domains, so I knew things about that. But this was all about architecture and cryptography. But the way sir explained those cryptography concepts कि अगर मैं life में भी कभी integrity सोचूंगी ना तो मुझे hashing ही याद आए. And if I think about digital signature तो मुझे non-repudiation ही याद आए.
And which is the toughest domain for you, and how Manoj sir's mentorship helped you out to understand that?
Okay, so my toughest domain right now also, if you ask, it will be networking, because I haven't worked in networking at all. I was always into defensive side of email security and so, but not too much of network. But then sir's notes are so concise and so precise that it will help you make that concept very easy to understand. And also the analogies that sir gives. Okay, so if sir is the most important thing in that domain 4 was like there was this IPsec thing in which it involves authentication header and encapsulating security payload. Those are the most important concepts, and one question will appear definitely in exam if you see the pattern. Yeah. So that was the most interesting area, and the way sir explained it involves a lot of complications. Actually, how security is integrated, how confidentiality is integrated into it, how networking also is integrated into it. So the way sir has explained, the tables that sir has given in his videos, that this protocol supports this particular layer, and then it supports encryption or it doesn't support encryption. He gives everything in the tabular format. So every domain will have at least 2-3 tables, which will help you memorize things. And you just have to place those tables in front of you for 30 days, and then you can memorize those tables. You can remember them, not memorize them.
Yeah. Correct. So, Disha, how was your experience on the day of exam? Like, how do you feel? I mean, today. How was that?
Yeah, so initially I was very nervous. Till yesterday I was very nervous and was constantly calling sir. I was constantly messaging him, sir, मेरी 2 दिन में exam है, sir मेरी 1 दिन में exam है, so मुझे final tips दो. Sir ने मुझे final tips में यही बोला था, देखो everything is done, आप बिल्कुल टेंशन मत लो, अब आप एग्जाम से 12 आवर्स पहले पढ़ना छोड़ देना, एंड यू जस्ट रिलैक्स बिकॉज स्ट्रेस में आप आंसर नहीं कर पाओगे ठीक से. एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई डिड. I just kept everything closed, and at 8 o'clock, and even my parents were shocked. They were like, बंद कर दिया, दिन रात तो लेके बैठी रहती है. तो बोला हाँ आज बंद कर दिया, and it's done now because sir ने बोल दिया है, it's done. So then sir told me, he gave me some instructions regarding the exam कि आपको जो भी carry करना होता है regarding that, and then he told me कि just focus on core concepts and you will be able to do it. He gave me that confidence, which is very important. Very important, yeah. And so today when I arrived at the exam center, so I was complete. And sir ने ये भी चीज बोली थी कि आपको है ना questions answer करते करते ना एक gut आ जाता है, एक gut feeling आ जाती है, क्योंकि आप इतने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर देते हो. CST इज फुल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, सो आपको है ना वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग का फियर नहीं रह जाता है. You don't have that fear of solving the questions because daily for 100 days you have practiced questions. Then there are mock tests, then there are exam practice. फिर उसके बाद then you have Udemy also. Udemy gives a managerial mindset or the best I feel. because the framing of the questions and everything is really is very appropriate, I feel. So that everything, I just kept all of that in my mind, and I started appearing for the exam. It was like 50-50 for me while I was analyzing myself. It was 50-50 ki, okay, fine, okay, this might be the answer or this might not be the answer. But then I was giving my best guess even if I don't know the answer. But yeah, the keyword mapping and the elimination of the options helped. I was able to manage the time as well, because when sir makes you practice the questions, he gives you very lengthy questions. And actual exam contains bit shorter questions. So then you are habitual to it कि ठीक है, मैंने अगर 1 minute में 6 lines का question solve कर लिया है practice में, so I can easily solve 2 to 3 lines का questions in exam. Yeah, I had lengthier questions as well. 10 questions might be lengthier. And there was nothing which came out of the syllabus कि मुझे ऐसे लगा कि ये तो मैंने कभी पढ़ा ही नहीं है, ऐसा तो there was nothing like that. There was nothing like that. Yeah, everything was covered as per the sir's notes. And then actually while I was I was 5 questions behind. Sir had given this that in 1 hour you have to solve 50 questions. But I was 5 questions behind. So it was like 45. I was able to do 45 in an hour. And then when I reached 70, 70 is when my timer started, accelerating. कि अब मुझे pace up करना पड़ेगा, otherwise I won't be able to make it. So, but then at that point of time, I also knew कि 100 questions are very much, until 100, it's like the benchmark. The system keeps on analyzing and stuff like that. So I also had to answer correctly in that within given time frame. So I was able to manage that. But after 70, I was very much critical on myself. You have to do you have to answer it correctly anyhow. That's what I told myself. And then when I hit 90 questions, it was like 5-6 questions I got easier ones, and then 2-3 questions I got difficult ones, and then at 100 everything stopped. But the most irritating thing about ISC2 is that they make you give that survey. They make you give that survey, and तब तक आपकी जान आपके हाथ में आ चुकी होती है कि हुआ क्या है एग्जाम में. So, but then, I was able to, I just completed that survey, and I just left, and I told my exam has been ended, and then it was over, and I got the printout. And the first thing I called is Manoj sir, because sir was waiting. Sir, मेरे को कल रात को भी कि when is your exam? Don't be stressed. He was constantly keeping connection with me so that I am not too much pressurized, because this is very daunting. CISSP is very demanding and it's very daunting. So, but with right guidance, and if you have the right resources, you'll be able to make it. Yeah, because I could have never thought of passing CISSP on my own, or I think अगर मैंने कोई और source भी लिया होता ना तो नहीं होता. It's all because of Manoj sir.
And would you like to recommend our CST 3.0 to people who are looking for CISSP preparation?
Definitely, no doubt at all. Even sir has success stories where people with 2 years of experience have passed CISSP.
Chitra passed it. Yes.
Yeah, 2 years of experience, 3 years of experience. Yeah, so the program it's fantastic.
Okay. Thank you so much, Disha, for sharing your honest reviews with us. If you are really looking for your best CISSP preparation, do approach Cybernos. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And I'll bring back again one more success story. I keep on bringing up more success stories. Thank you, Disha, for joining the call, and many congratulations once again.